guys, this is Darshana. I am from Mumbai, and very recently I had attended Ms. Rituparna's storytelling course. Yes, it was an online course. Initially, everybody would think, online course, storytelling ka? Kaise? Kya hoga? How will you do anything? These were the questions even I had when I attended before attending the course. कि कैसे कर सकते हो आप online, but still I just crossed my fingers. I spoke to Ms. Rituparna a couple of times and then I enrolled for it. Initially, I'll be very honest, I had only enrolled for 5 days, but within the 3rd day I was like, I have to attend all the 10 days. It's that amazing. Trust me. I am currently working as a learning support educator in an inclusive school in Mumbai, which means that I'm working with children with diverse needs who have different concerns and challenges, and they are equally amazing in with their own capabilities and strength. While working with them, I realized that stories are really very powerful. We can do so much more with them, and we can connect so much more through stories. And just because of that, and with all my questions and curiosity, I enrolled for this course. During the course, I not only had an idea about how can I do this in a much better way, but I also understood, or I'm trying to understand myself much better as a storyteller. And it's all possible because of Ms. Rituparna's activities and the way she conducts things. She really makes your mind tickle and figure out that, listen, storytelling hai, but what are you? Who are you as a storyteller? Why do you want to become? And these whys of all the kinds and analyzing yourself much at a deeper level is what's amazing about this course. This is something really powerful that I think was my big takeaway. It's just don't do it because everybody's doing. Don't just do it because there are some activities. But do it because you believe in it. Do it because there is some specific purpose that you want to serve. Who are your audience? What are they? What are their needs? Primary, secondary, what are all those? That I got to know from this session, from attending her sessions. Whether they were group sessions or whether they were individual sessions, they all were amazing. Like, I have never left after attending, I'm just left with so many thoughts and so many questions, which is great. That was my big takeaway. Of course, some of her elements like the ABCD, I am still thinking कि कोई ABCD storytelling, it's one of a very amazing tool which she's come up with. How can someone come up with that? It's so cool, right? So her ABCD tools, her participatory tales, her even the way she has used the 9 ways of expressing, all of them was really amazing, and I really enjoyed knowing more about it. So that's something are my takeaways. What else? There's so much that I'm actually thinking, what should I even share right now? Voices, like how I'm supposed to use my voice. There's a difference between when I speak, when I talk, and when I'm actually using my voice in different ways. So important. And every time when you meet her, you will definitely you will pick up something or the other. So so I think this is something really powerful and amazing. So guys, please do, if possible, do enroll for these workshops. Yes, it may look little confusing कि online कैसे है, but when you meet her and when you discuss your queries with her, she'll be able to help you much better and guide you much better. So best wishes to tickle your bones and best wishes to Ms. Rituparna. Thank you so much.